The Shukela Training Centre Pty Limited, popularly known as STC, is a wholly owned subsidiary of the South African Sugar Association, SASA. STC holds overall accreditation with the AgriSETA and has program approval with various other sector education and training authorities. It is also accredited by the Quality Council for Trades and Occupations, QCTO, and the National Artisan moderating body, NAMB, as a skills development provider and a trade test centre. The STC has two training departments. The agricultural and engineering departments served by a professional team of 41 employees who all contribute to the centre's success and good reputation. The STC's uniqueness and its competitive advantage is that it has on-site learner accommodation, which renders its training accessible to learners coming from outside the City of Durban. The STC slogan is "Training today's people for Southern Africa's tomorrow." We breathe life into the potential for success of all our learners. The Agricultural Training Department focuses on the sugar industry and provides sugarcane husbandry skills-based training to all sugarcane farmers. The courses take place on farms and the training has a high practical component and can be of benefit to new entrants into sugarcane growing, small-scale growers, farm workers and established commercial farmers. The Engineering Training Department offers qualifications in the trades of fitting and turning, millwright, automotive mechanics, diesel mechanics, electrical refrigeration and air conditioning, instrumentation, as well as welding and boiler making. We also offer standalone short courses. The centre is completely self-contained. Full board and lodging is available for those learners who wish to reside in our residences. Casual meals are also available, and learners not staying in residence may book for lunch on a daily basis. In the STC Pamula Recreational Centre, sports equipment, board games and pool tables are available for after-hours use. The beaches at Umhlanga Rocks are only a few kilometres away, and there are a number of shopping centres and malls in close proximity, including the Gateway Theatre of Shopping and the Canubia Mall. In addition, all residences have TVs, including STV packages, while the campus itself is highly secured with controlled access. CCTV cameras and security guards at the gates who also patrol the premises 24/7. Shukela Training Centre is a training centre of choice for more than 4,000 companies. Make us your training centre of choice too.